Hello everybody, I am George Wylie from Delta Controls. I look after Europe and the Middle East, and today I'm going to be talking to you about intelligent environments. So first off, what is an intelligent environment? From an industry perspective, an intelligent environment is a smart connected space that adapts to the demands and efficiencies of an occupant and also optimizes the building's performance. They integrate into systems such as HVAC, occupancy sensing, lighting, access control, blinds, and they connect all this into a seamless environment, a seamless automated environment. Through the use of open protocols like IoT connectivity and modern integration tools, intelligent environments create spaces that are adaptive and energy efficient. They're user-focused, and this approach improves comfort and personalisation to the users, but also delivers sustainability and efficiency to the building owners and building users. I feel very tall up here, like this is... Yeah, so let's do a Billy Connolly and sit on the steps. We're all familiar with smart spaces, smart workspaces. We have them at home, you have them in your Alexa, your smart speakers. You have them when you switch your lights on remotely with your little remote control contacts. So, but workplaces are increasingly interested. Oh, geez, we've got Paul as well. But workspaces are increasingly adapting the automated technology and the stuff that we use on a daily basis at home. And more building users and building owners are having demands made of them, so that the air quality and the lighting and the lighting control and the temperature control in a building mimics that of the kind of a technology that's used in your home. So the challenge is trying to turn 1970s buildings into smart automated buildings of the demands for smart automated buildings of today. How will we do it? How will we to create an intelligent workspace? We need more than just connected technology. We need more than just sensors. We need integration, and you're going to do that via connecting all the kind of a smart sensors, CO2, humidity, occupancy, all these kind of things, and you're going to have to integrate them into the building's existing HVAC BMS technology. And these smart sensors, these will be the building blocks of your intelligent environment. Like I said, IEQ, CO2, VOCs, your occupancy sensors, temperature sensors. And the ultimate goal is to have a much more adaptive, healthy, efficient space for the users and your kind of a building owners. Open protocols for connectivity, for the integration of these devices are going to be massively important when we're talking about connecting smart devices. These are going to be the backbone. Traditionally in the HVAC industry, BACnet is the system that most building automation systems use, and that's going to be the kind of a standard for making an intelligent environment. But there's also new technologies that are coming along, like MQTT, REST APIs, Node-RED and Modbus, all kind of technologies that have to be integrated and adapted into the overall intelligent environment to make a smart space, to make a smart room. As I mentioned, two of these are Python and Node-RED, and these seem to be the forerunners moving forward for the new kind of a method of smart technology, smart industry. So, yeah, and I'm going to talk about those two in a little bit more detail. Node-RED is a flow-based development tool, connects devices, APIs and services, drag and drop programming. It's a flow-based editor, so you can just drag and drop different things to create your own dashboard. This is a little example of how we would do it. You would use a IEQ sensor to send data to the cloud and then speak to MQTT to the cloud to pull that information, that data down onto the dashboard. and that then gives you all your information that you require from a sensor on the front end, along with all your BMS and HVAC existing equipment on the front end. Python automates data processing and control. API calls for external services, occupancy-based HVAC adjustment, and enables advanced analytics. And through the kind of adaptation of Python for smart integration, also gives you access to a whole load of different dashboards and obviously developers that will help you add to the existing kind of a HVAC infrastructure and ecosystem. So the benefits of these is they empower flexible automation and integration. You get more improved comfort, efficiencies, and sustainability. It's an open system, so it drives innovation and collaboration because there's a whole load of new developers and system integrators out there. And it also adds all the smart sensors, enables them into real-time awareness and responsiveness. The future outlook for intelligent environments, you'll have AI-driven predictive automation, and this will be through systems like ChatGPT, your open AI platforms. These will all be helping the systems that are existing to drive more detail into how and when predictive maintenance is done, and how often your plant is used and how well it's being used. It will also allow us to have deeper integration across the systems so we can bring in more technology, more sensors via APIs, via MQTT, via different styles of programming and bringing it into the overall BMS system, giving you a more comfortable and more controlled space. It grows the role of open source tools and communities. So again, you have all the Node-RED developers, you have all the Python developers out there. They now are going to have access and windows into the BMS world, which gives us a whole lot more technology and a whole lot more levels of integration and support moving forward. And it ultimately gives you a smarter, more adaptive, human-centric building. Conclusion is, intelligent environments reshape how we design and manage our workspace. Smart sensors, Python and Node-RED enable flexible, open, scalable automation. Benefits include comfort, efficiency and sustainability. The future outlook, predictive, adaptive and human-centric buildings. Thank you.